Hey everybody, I've got something cool to show you today. This is the new 8BitDo wireless Bluetooth gamepad. Now, I reviewed something similar to this on the channel before, but this one actually has Hall effect joysticks, which I'm pretty excited about. Stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm going to be giving this away. There'll be details on how to do that. But let's go ahead and just open this up and take a look at it, and we'll compare it to the ones that I have reviewed before. Now, this is not quite the same thing as the SN Pro or the SN30 Pros or whatever. This is just called a Pro 2, which is interesting. I'll set this aside and we'll go ahead and we'll open up this box. Oh, nice. Look at that. The inside here has been cut out, the foam to keep everything secure. Okay, look at that. Ooh, that feels good. This is very similar to what I have reviewed before. I'm going to take this off here. Excellent. Now, this is the Pro 2. And over here I have another Pro 2. This does not have the same joysticks in it, although they feel extremely similar. This one feels a little heavier, I'm not gonna lie. This one feels a little lighter, yeah. Not in a super noticeable way. Okay, well, let's look this over here. Comes with these caps. It comes with some instructions, and it comes with a USB. We're gonna go ahead and use this USB here. We're just going to plug this into the computer. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and open up Steam. Let's play Halo Master Chief Collection. Where you going, buddy? I mean, this feels pretty good to control. I want the DMR. This actually feels very good to control. I'm not gonna... I wish that it had gyro, but it does not seem to. Ooh, hello. Oh, I'm dead. I'm also not very good at this game. I'm not sure if I've made that clear. Alright, so let's go ahead and grab this guy. This game looks a hell of a lot better than I remember it looking. Orbital! Got him. Alright, that works pretty well. I'm going to try a game that I'm actually good at with a controller. What game would that be, you might ask? Well, how about Geometry Wars? Twin stick shooter. That's what I'm talking about right there. Well, that is... There we go. Alright, that's what I'm talking about right there. That feels good. Now, I mean, there's not a whole lot of precision required for this game. It's more just point and shoot. But you know what? That's pretty fun. This is one of my all-time favorites. It's so enjoyable. You just get into a flow state, and I'm a little out of practice, but I should be able to get fairly far into it. a little out of practice, but come on, these green guys. Get the frick out of here, dude. Alright. See, this game came free on a 512 megabyte Xbox 360 memory card. Do you guys remember those things? What a rip-off those were. But yeah, it came with a free copy of this game, and I played the heck out of it back in the 360 days. Woof! Almost ran right into him. Yeah, this is my favorite weapon right here. Alright. Oh, I didn't even see him. Blocked myself into that corner. Oh my god. I am very out of practice. All in all, this is a nice little controller. I really like it. It feels good in the hand. It's got buttons here. There are different modes. I'm curious if this will change modes based on being plugged in or not. Because this says it's in switch mode right now. I didn't hear a USB. Oh, there he goes. Now it's in Xbox mode. So I'm imagining A and B are going to be swapped here. Let's try another game that uses a controller. What do I have installed? Ready to play? Do I have Shadow of Mordor installed? Really? Now this is going to be similar to the other Pro 2 controllers that I've reviewed. We have Switch, Android, direct input, and Xbox input, or X input. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so this is in Xbox mode now, which is pretty nice. There's also macros that you can do and other cool stuff. This is the home button over here. This is for, I believe, enabling macros or taking screenshots or something like that. We're gonna just play a little bit of this. I'm not gonna play a whole lot. Ugh. Yeah, this works pretty well. There we go. That's what I'm talking about right there. Alright, let's see if we can't shoot these guys over here. I thought we was going on a hunt. Get him. You're welcome, gentlemen. I thought we was going on a hunt. A corpse, and it's one of us. This is a fun game. I forgot that I had this installed on here. All right. Anyway, that works pretty well. I like this controller quite a bit. Now, if you want to get one of these controllers, I'm giving it away, this specific one, so you can head over to heavyelement.io and sign up for the giveaway. There's going to be a link in the description. You can also use my affiliate links to pick one of these up for yourself if that's more your speed. Thanks to my patrons for supporting this show, and if you enjoyed this video, you can also check out my most needed controllers for the Steam Deck. There's going to be a link on screen for that.